All right, what's going on, guys? Back out at it again. It's a gorgeous day. It's almost 70. I'm here at the Pine Valley Wilderness, about to do this Oak Grove Trail. I only plan on doing the 4 miler. Maybe it can go up further. There's a lot of offshoots that go to Signal Peak, Burger Peak. This area, if you guys remember last year, if you've heard it on the news, there was a lot of wildfires down in this area, so there might be a lot of burned debris and stuff that we might see on the way up. But this route that I'm going, it's a serious elevation climb. I've seen on all trails it can go well over 3,000 to 4,000 feet in a very short distance, so that's good. That's what I want. In case you guys also saw when we first came in, there is a gate right now because it's still winter camping season. There is a gate that's blocking the road up here, so it's maybe about, you have park in the parking lot off to the right before the gate, and maybe it's about a half-mile walk through the campground to get to the trailhead. So let's get started, and I'm looking forward to this one. I've never done this hike before, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. Climb right here, but camera doesn't do it justice. Whew. Oak Grove Trail, Cottonwood, Harmon Creek Trail. Going up. Oh man. Taking a break. And under this big rock in the shade. Man, yeah. This is no joke. For me, I mean, this gets up there. I don't know what elevation I'm at. I don't have that much more. At least probably to where I'm gonna end this, but I had to stop and just take a snack break and make sure I'm hydrated. It's a beautiful trail. I wouldn't probably be up here too much if it's getting over, 80, 85 degrees, which it can here. Plus this massive elevation, you're sweating. I have a 3-liter water bladder, and I can already tell I'm going through it faster than I thought I would. But I always ration my water to make sure I have enough on the way back. But I'm staying hydrated pretty good. So just gonna finish eating the snack, throw the pack on, and then keep going. So wish me luck. Yeah, I think I may have missed Signal Peak by a little, but made it to a top of something. I'm almost at 10,000 feet. Check out the views. Look at that. Give you guys another view. Look at that. Parking lot is just down there. A little bit. Beautiful up here. Probably in the 50s. Gorgeous, gorgeous hike, very tough. Cheers. Beautiful view. You guys want to see my view for lunch? Not too shabby. I'm gonna finish this sandwich, eat something good, because this one was rough. Well worth it though. I was shooting for an elevation gain of 4,000 feet. I exceeded that, so I am happy about that. It's a good fitness goal. I want it, so I'm gonna eat this lunch and then start heading back down the trail. So probably close this out once I get back to the trailhead to get back to the parking lot. All right, see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, I just got back, downloaded my stuff, changed my shirt, fresh one, of course, because I sweated the other one out. Got my Crocs on. I am a bit bushed. I'm gonna take a nice cold bath when I get home. So this was 7.75 miles. Elevation gain was 4,469 feet, something like that. I'll put the screenshot of it from All Trails up on right here. But it was a beautiful, fantastic hike. Beautiful views, guys. It was so nice. Highly recommend this. I wouldn't recommend it if you're a little inexperienced hiker. Just because there's a lot of potential dangers. There's high elevation. There's some sun. There's a lot of sun exposure, and I would not recommend this if it's probably over 80, 85. Today was even the mid 70s, I think, and it felt hotter than that. And this is a hot part of the year, so bring a lot of water, at least no less than 3 liters, if not more. There's a water point if you're walking to the campground. You can filter some water. I would bring some if I were you. Trekking poles are a must. It's gonna make you work for it every freaking mile, but it's beautiful. It's a beautiful hike. So, all right, I'm gonna get going, head back home. You guys know what to do. Get outside, make some memories, and most of all, have fun. Cheers, guys.